Well, good evening, everyone. It's quite a special moment, and of course, an extra sweet moment for me because ever since I've been 16, I've been wanting to, whenever I was in Europe or any international country, I was always like, I have to have the Magnum Classic. I can't leave without having that. And today, to stand in front and be a pleasure ambassador in the face of Magnum here in India, I think it's a big moment for me and the sweetest moment of my life this month, more than Valentine's Day.
Oh, nice!
And of course, just the fact that apart from the classic flavors, we also have two other amazing flavors, which is the almond flavor and the chocolate truffle. Mine now being chocolate truffle the favorite. I mean, I can't.
Do you want to actually pick up your favorite one right here?
Yeah, and why don't you guys also have one as well?
There you go. All right. So
I hope everyone is going to get
I
Magnum
think
bar.
everyone's quite excited about it.
Once they leave, at least. So the fact that they've come all the way, they should get a Magnum. Should I eat it? Because I've just eaten one up there. Okay, so now if I gain weight, it's because of Magnum. Well, I think obviously the first sound what you hear is, I mean, I can only hear myself, which is going like, and it's the most pleasurable experience of my life. There's nothing more pleasurable in life, which is a combination of chocolate and ice cream. I mean, it doesn't get better than that, I mean, for any of us. And trust me, you don't know what I've just felt having this bite, guys. Y'all better get one ASAP.
Like a tough one.
Don't go on beauty, go on the Sunday, huh?
No, I think both the ladies, all the three ladies are very beautiful. And for any home, I think the chef at home is the lady, of course. And, amongst both of these Sundays, because they've done it out of so much of love, and it's the Magnum at the core, so I don't think there can be one winner. Both of them look fantastic, and I think both of them are the winner. We have to give it to them.
So do we want to put our hands together for our winners?
सेहत के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा है, बाकी चीजों से तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. और चॉकलेट तो मूड बदल देता है. I think there's nothing more that brings any, it doesn't bring so much happiness to me. I think only chocolate does that. जब भी खुशी की बात करते हैं, तो अगर मूड ऐसा थोड़ा ऐसा लगता है, तो मैं चॉकलेट खाती हूँ. I automatically feel happy.
करीना, here, your left. करीना, आपने आइसक्रीम बनाया है यहाँ पे, सबको अच्छा लगा, लेकिन एक चीज़ जानना हमें बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप वाकई में खाना बनाना जानती या नहीं. अगर जानती हैं तो कौन सा डिश है जो आप बनाती हैं और सैफ को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आता है? सैफ ने कभी मेरे हाथ का खाना तो खाया नहीं है, हाथ से ज़रूर खिलाया है, बट बनाया नहीं है. बट आई एम एक्चुअली अ वेरी गुड कुक. मुझे I believe कि जो एक अच्छी दाल बना सकते हैं, they are a very good cook because dal is actually the most difficult thing to make. And मेरी जो दाल है, I think everyone loves it. My mom and sister wait that okay, when is she going to make the dal? No, I'm a veg person. अभी एक साल पहले ही I started eating fish and eggs, but दिल से तो vegetarian हूँ. दूधी करेला के बिना दिन नहीं जाता मेरा.
You know, like chocolate लोग खाते इसलिए नहीं खाते क्योंकि because मोटे हो जाते हैं. But you already size 0. तो do you think अभी चॉकलेट खाने के बाद आपकी size 0 कम हो जाएगी? What do you think about that?
बल्कि अभी तो size 0 तो हूँ नहीं मैं. But अगर size 0 कहे या Magnum आइसक्रीम कहे, तो there's no choice. It would be Magnum आइसक्रीम क्योंकि जब आप टेस्ट करोगे उसको तो पता चल जाएगा कि the way it is and the way it tastes, it's okay. You can become fat. But also हम लोग दिन में 5 या 10 थोड़ी खा रहे हैं. एक तो ठीक है. मुझे चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम पसंद है. That is what I have always liked. बचपन से लेकर आज तक मुझे चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. फिर मैग्नम वालों ने मुझे गिफ्ट किया था जब मुझे साइन करने आए थे, तो एक डब्बा दिया था जिसमें 50 मैग्नम आइसक्रीम्स थे. 3 दिन में सैफ ने पूरे खा लिए, मैंने एक भी नहीं खाया. तो मुझे तो नहीं मिला गिफ्ट, बट गिफ्ट जो मुझे दिया उन्होंने खा लिया.
To know more about your favorite superstars, subscribe to Bollywood Wala now and hit like if you like this story.